Time is ticking, and you are wearing the problem.
So watch us turn this into that. This is fiber that you could potentially make into your own denim. And let's explore with Dusk.
Fast fashion has become deeply ingrained in society. Brands produce clothing at an unprecedented rate, encouraging consumers to buy more and more just to discard these items just as quickly. This cycle of overproduction and overconsumption fuels environmental damage, particularly in the denim production. The denim industry alone is responsible for over 10% of all global CO2 emissions. It also produces 35% of all microplastics and contributes to 92 million tons of waste annually. This is largely due to its reliance on cotton-based denim, which requires excessive volumes of water and the use of toxic pesticides. This is where our company Dusk comes in. We discovered that corn husks are the most wasteful agricultural products, where over 80% is turned into agricultural waste. To combat the growing environmental harm caused by the denim industry and its cotton dependency, as well as repurposing agricultural waste, our vision for Dusk is to turn corn husks into denim that is sustainable, chemical-free, as well as fashionable and affordable.
Our vision for more sustainable denim production is not ours alone, but the consumer market as well. The total global denim market is growing at a pace far unprecedented, 3.1 billion annual buyers. More specifically, though, when we take a look at our serviceable available market, that tends to be in North America, where consumers are prioritizing the sustainability of their garments over the aesthetics. That is why, due to the current high competition as well as our current low brand awareness, our goal is to target 5 to 10% of this North American community to truly harness the potential of Dusk.
To extract the corn husk fibers needed to create this denim, we have a simple and effective process. We will first boil the corn husks and soak them in hydrogen peroxide to weaken and break down the cellulose. We will then remove the weakened cellulose through mechanical distress, which reveals the fibers, which we will then pick out and leave to dry.
Initial prototyping demonstrates that our solution is successful. After simply 24 hours of completing our novel procedure, we are able to extract several fibers. And more specifically, after a week, we are able to extract an entire plate of fibers, which suggests a promising path forward for denim production that is sustainable and does not rely on cotton. When we look at the scalability, there is much hope. We can partner with farms to gather agricultural waste and corn husks at a cheaper price. This can then be transported to industries with various industrial applications, such as wire mesh welding machines, which can extract the fiber as well as manufacture textiles at a more efficient pace than ever. And finally, by using these manufactured denim products, we can then encourage consumers to choose sustainability by distributing to retail partners like Walmart, Macy's, and Target. But more specifically, the reason why consumers will choose us is because of our unique value proposition. Our use of hydrogen peroxide, which is a non-toxic chemical, allows us to save our reliance on water and energy, making it environmentally sustainable. Furthermore, because hydrogen peroxide is non-toxic in the environment, it does not cause environmental harm, and our cost efficiency will save consumers like you over 70% of expenses.
Thus demonstrates significant improvements in sustainability and affordability in comparison to typical fast fashion storefronts, for example, Forever 21. Considering our fixed and variable costs, we found that Dusk products cost roughly $12 for production. With a 50% markup, the product can be retailed at $17, demonstrating its affordability. This financial overview demonstrates Dusk's potential of steady growth over the next 5 years. We foresee our revenue to approach $200,000 as a result of our novel marketing approaches. Dusk embraces circular fashion by using eco-friendly materials, ethical production, and extending product life through reuse and repair. Old garments are recycled into livestock feed and ethanol, ensuring sustainability at every stage.
So join us and let's wear the future with Dusk.